Hi, I'm Lynette Thomas. I'm Deputy Director at the Open University in Wales. I'm also Chair of the BG REACH project steering group. BG REACH project is Blaenau Gwent residents engaging in arts, community and heritage. And we run the project in partnership with Linc Cymru Housing Association and our BG residents group. The project is run in one of the most socio-economically disadvantaged areas of Wales, and we're really delighted to work with members of the community in order to increase their sense of heritage and identity within the area.
Over 80 people have taken part and their feedback has been absolutely amazing. One of the challenges of the project has been running it throughout the pandemic, but one of the successes is that residents have built their confidence and they're now applying for funds in their own right to do things within their community at a safe social distance.
In fact, a few weeks ago we held a brilliant session online showcasing some of the work that our residents had been doing through lockdown. Initially we did the project face-to-face through face-to-face workshops with our OU tutors. However, since COVID, we've had to engage online with our residents, and it's been great to see some of the excellent work that they've been doing during this period.
The community are passionate about projects like this. They really make a difference to their community, their sense of well-being and personal development. Now that we've tried and tested this project, we very much hope that it can be scaled up.
Our plans are to grow the project in all areas of Wales, so in South West Wales and in North Wales, working with local community groups and residents, and also engaging with some national partners such as Amgueddfa Cymru, National Museums Wales.